Hey, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Welcome back to day 14 of our 2021 challenge. So about 2 weeks ago, I got this brilliant idea to try and lose some weight because 2020 happened. And I thought, if I just do what I did last year after my stroke, cut out the fatty foods and cut out the alcohol and the bread and stuff like that, get a little exercise, I could probably drop some pounds. So I invited my Facebook friends and my YouTube friends to join me. And so far, there's 2,600 of us signed up. If you're at all interested in this challenge and want to know more about it, there's a link down here. There we go. I'll put a card up here for the very first video so you can get an idea of what we're doing and how we're doing it. Basically, we're just eating a whole food plant-based diet, oil-free, and we're cutting out the fattier foods with the higher calorie density, like nuts, seeds, avocado, olives, tofu, bread, alcohol, nothing processed, just real food. It's basically it. So is it working? I think so. I'll show you my stats as of today. And there we go. I started 2 weeks ago at 200. This morning I weighed in at 192. My blood pressure has gone from 145 down to 127, and the diastolic has gone from 91 down to 85. Now, it's been fluctuating up and down, both the blood pressure and the weight. It's just my body is stabilizing and doing what it needs to do. So I'm not worried about it. I was down almost 10 pounds a few days ago. I think in the last couple of nights, I've gained some back because I've been eating later. Let me just say, when I started this challenge and thought it would be a brilliant idea to video blog it every single day, I had no idea what I was getting myself into. I really didn't. It's a lot of work. I'm glad I'm doing it. I'm learning a lot in the process. I have a lot more respect for those full-time YouTubers, I'll tell you that, because it's a job. It really is. So the last couple of nights, it's kept me up 6, 7, 8 o'clock at night, getting everything done and out to YouTube. So I've been eating dinner later, and I think that's part of the weight gain. I really do. So I'm going to try and get this done sooner tonight, eat sooner, get to bed sooner, and we'll see what happens tomorrow. So what kind of food are we eating on this challenge? I have the same breakfast every single morning, and I'll put a video here. It's just basically oatmeal, like maybe a quarter cup, third of a cup, half cup, whatever you like, blueberries or fruit of your choice. I throw a banana in there for some sweetener. I don't use sugar, maple syrup, anything like that. And I have a slice of Ezekiel toast. Now, people have asked me today, why Ezekiel bread? I thought you were leaving out the bread. Well, I'm a bread addict. I love sourdough. I purposely chose Ezekiel because I really don't like it. Not that much anyway. And it's frozen, so it's hard for me to eat. And if I do eat it, I don't want that much. Not like sourdough or Dave's Killer bread or all my favorite breads. So that's why I want to have something to go with my oatmeal, and I limit myself to one slice of Ezekiel, and that's it. So that's why. And it's got a lot of fiber. It's really healthy. It's one of the healthiest loaves of bread you can buy. Lunch today, I had leftover dinner last night, which was my mac and cheese. And I'll put a recipe down here. And there's also, that way. There we go. A card up here for my video recipe of the mac and cheese. It's really easy to make. So that was dinner last night and lunch today. Dinner tonight, I have no idea. My grandson's coming over, so it'll probably be rice because he likes rice and something. We always have a starch, a veggie, maybe a sauce or two, and try to get some greens in there. That's usually what we try to eat for either lunch or dinner. So it's very simple. Most of the recipes are from my website that I'm using, and the link to my website is down here below. And not all of them are going to be compliant. Some of them have tofu, some of them have cashew sauce, but there's quite a few that are legal, and those are the ones that I'm eating the most of. So mac and cheese, hash brown, casserole, hot and sour soup. I leave the tofu out, that kind of thing. So it's basic food. That's what we're eating. Nothing processed. It's just real, honest to goodness food. So we're getting the whole grains and the fruit and the veggies and the salads and the beans and the legumes and the starches and the potatoes and the rice and the whole grain pasta. My mac and cheese, I use brown rice pasta. So, everything's good and inexpensive and easy to find in a grocery store. That's the whole point of this challenge. Keep it as simple as possible and as real and whole food as possible. Anyway, those are my stats. I usually answer a question or two. I don't have anything today at all. Facebook's been really quiet. So we all get together in my private Facebook group. And if you'd like to join, it's links down there. We share our food, what we're eating, the pictures, and tell our stories and ask for help and support and motivation and blood pressure numbers and all that kind of stuff. So you're more than welcome to join. It's never too late to start this challenge. Don't think that because we're 2 weeks into this, it's too late and you'll wait for the next one. There may not be a next one. I don't know. So by all means, if you'd like to join the challenge, click that link down there. And if you'd like to join our Facebook group and have a group of like-minded people with you on your journey, that's what we're for. Click the link and join us. We'd love to have you. So like I said, I don't have anything new today. There's been nothing on Facebook. It's been really quiet. Are you guys still with me? Are you still doing the challenge? Are you having trouble? Are you hitting roadblocks? Becoming unmotivated? Temptations? I know it can be hard. You work all day, or you got kids to take care of all day, or whatever, and you have to cook for your husband, and he doesn't eat the way that we do. Whatever the challenge, there's somebody in our group that is experiencing the same thing right now. So if we can help, let us know, and we will. I am committed to do this at least 30 days or until I get to my goal weight, which is 179 pounds. That'll put me right back into the normal BMI range, which I have not been in a long time. I haven't been under 180 for I can't remember how long. So I will be here every day, and I'm not stopping. I'm not quitting. I think when you get tempted to quit or cheat or whatever, the best thing you can do is remember your why. Why did you decide to join this challenge? Was it just to lose a few? Was it to lose 90? Was it to lose 40, 50? Why? Was it for your health? I have my why. I know exactly why I started this. I had a stroke a year ago, and I was not happy with the pills they put me on, the medicine. I was taking Plavix. I was taking baby aspirin, and when you mix the two, a blood thinner and an antiplatelet, I could just touch my arm, and I would have a bruise like you would never seen before. It was ugly. I was taking cholesterol medicine, Lipitor, first time in my life. I was taking blood pressure pills because it was sky high that day, and I felt horrible taking all that stuff. And I was determined to get off of them no matter what. That's when I cleaned up my diet. That's when I started walking. And I saw that it worked. Within 30 days, I dropped 18 pounds. I know it works. So I'm doing the exact same thing right now, and I'm going to keep doing it because I do not want to ever experience that hospital visit again. It was pretty bad. My wife tells me I was not a very happy customer. I got otherwise too. I want to look good. I want to feel good. I want my clothes to fit better. I have a little 8-year-old grandson. My wife just went off to pick him up from school. He's a very important why. I want to be able to keep up with him and be a good papa and be around to crawl around on the floor with him, play ball with him, whatever. If I'm sick and disabled and in a hospital or dead or whatever, it ain't going to happen. So I'm trying to be as healthy as I can for me, my wife, and him. Anyway, that's my why. So what's your why? Get off the meds. That's an important why. Reverse your hypertension. Reverse your type 2 diabetes. It's possible. The doctors that we follow all say it's possible, but you have to pretty much go 100% to get there. You do. So if you're having trouble sticking to this, let me know. We'll help you if we can. And that's all I got. Really short video today. Good jobs from what I've seen so far. You guys are having amazing progress. I've seen some blood pressure numbers I just love. Again, kudos to you. Good job. Keep it up. And I will see you back here tomorrow for day 15 of our 2021 challenge. If you are a YouTube subscriber, great. If you're not, there's a little link right there. I would appreciate it if you'd subscribe, hit that bell so you get notified, give me a like and thumbs up and all that good stuff. And until tomorrow, this is Chuck from Brand New Vegan. Thanks for watching.